G'day everyone, so in this video we're going to be finding the value of theta, so finding our angle essentially finding our angle when we don't know it but we have our side lengths or a fraction of our side lengths here. So you'll see here we've got cos of theta is equal to 0.416 and then we have tan of theta is equal to 5/3. And it's just asking us to the nearest degree or 1 decimal place. So just remember your answer should be in degree as long as your calculator is in degrees, which will have a D up the top instead of like an R or something else. So with this, we'll go through it. So we just got cosine theta is equal to 0.416. So what we need to do here is whenever you've got the left side with your cosine, tan, or sine, and then you've got something on the right, a value on the right, what we need to do is the inverse of that. So how we actually write it is theta is then going to equal to the inverse cosine, and this is normally shift cosine on your calculators, and this will get this up, and then you just type in 0.416, the value that's there. Okay? So this is how you go about doing this one. So with this should give you an answer of, I'll just quickly do this to make sure, 0.416, 65.41, but in our question it's asked us for the nearest degree. So with this, to the nearest degree we need to round down because it's below 5, so this is 65 degrees. Okay. Now with the second one here, we've got tan of theta, and this one's as a fraction, 5/3. But there's no difference in these, okay? Just because it's a fraction doesn't mean that you do anything different. So to find out theta, we just need to do the inverse tan, which will be shift and tan on your calculator, and then of 5/3. Okay? So this is what you do on your calculator. Most calculators have a fraction as well, or you can work out the fraction before and then use the answer from it. Okay, so that's how you can go about doing this. So this here should give you an answer of 59.036, and it says to 1 decimal place. So here, this is 59.0. Remember, put the 0.0 because it isn't 59 exactly. So 59.0 degrees. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how to use our inverse, tan, cosine, and it's the same thing for when you're doing your inverse sine. Okay? So hopefully this helps, and good luck.